Ulitin in A, Matutalem Javier, Maat Joel Bunal versus Team B, Torres 16, Torres 4, Bosas Jerbel Makaili. Intercepted by Matutalem. Bro, dito ba yung hinahanap sa dito? Lapit na lang tayo. Oh, malaki yan. Basket. Basket 2-0. Malaki yan. 2-0. Oh, good. Rebound by our team. Intercepted by number 16. To number 18 points by number 26. Attention. All through. No good. This time by number 13. To Nakapiki. No good. This one by number 10. No good pa rin. 2 points by jersey number 14. Joel. 4-2. 4-2. Down for by Jamar. Taking the long two, good. Out of bounds.
Oh, good!
Ren, pasa lang ako sa plate konti. May tao ba sa gate? Sarado mo lang konti.
Drop pass to number 21, given by number 4. Number 4, behind the back to intercepted by jersey number 8 minutes exactly. Pwede mo lang.
Ray, ito sakto. Iwalay ka sa kanila. Okay. May kasama ka ba?
Block by jersey number 8, Yancy.
Ay! Oh, dito ka ulit. Kaya ka sa. Sige. Meron pa?
Out of bounds. 7 minutes and 17 seconds.
Score.
Score 42-8. Yancy, 2 points. Yancy Maat. 6-2.
Ayun, second. No. Muna.
6 minutes and 52 seconds.
Enough.
Bosas taking 3. No good. Rebound by number 14. Intercepted by Torres. Torres blocked by number 15. What a block by Yancy Maat. 6 minutes and 34 seconds. 6-2. 3. No good. Rebound by Yancy.
Isa pa. Yan. Sa Inares.
Bosas, 2 points. Number 24. Bosas. 6-4. 5 minutes and 57 seconds. Number 16, Torres. Drop pass to number 24. 13 seconds shot clock. Taking 3. No good.
Will. Oh, nag-chat sa akin.
Taking 3. No good. Out of bounds. 5 minutes and 27 seconds. Tumaat. 2 points. Yancy Maat. Change position. Change court na po. Change court. Change court. Change court. All six.
Ah.
8-6.
Oh, nakasip si ano yan.
8-6. 8-6. 8-6.
Apo. Uy, gano'n na, gano'n. Sinalatak mo, ah.
Kalaro ka muna, James. Isa.
Oh, pumasok.
10-6. Basketball. Yan si Mahat. Out of bounds. Ball stays with Team B. Torres. 17 seconds shot clock. Torres again. Torres. 2 points. Torres. 10-8.
Paalam ka muna.
All 10. 4 minutes exactly. Number 14. No good. To Yancy. No good again. Hindi mo ba Yancy? Wala pa rin. Yancy pa rin. Yancy pa rin. 2 points. Yancy. 12-10. 12-10. 3 minutes and 44 seconds. James. James, may patas ka? Good. Score. 12-10. 3 minutes and 10 seconds.
Dalawa, 18 na lang ko ninyo siya. Yung bagong Willie. Ito, nasama sa inyo. Si Borjas. Ito kayo tatlo. Ito pa si Borjas. Sa kanila rin sa Portugal. Ano yung para mapapasok kung ano papasok na yung dalawa. Gago din.
Hindi mo ba number 14 sa ilalim pa rin? Wala pa rin. Hindi mo ba number 14 pa rin? 2 points. 14-12. Last 2 minutes. Torres. Lock by Mahat. Oras. 1 minute and 53. 14-12. Dalawa lang po kalamangan. Good ball. Unleasing. To Mahat. Kailangan. Mahat. Wala pa rin. Di mo ba Torres? Jeremy. Wala ang bola. Nakakuha lang mo isa. Ang sisi na Torres. Torres. Pass to Jeremy. Short jumper. Airball. 14. Good. 1 minute and 25 seconds. Win.
Ano pangalan ng kasama ko? Ryan. Timo. Ano number mo? Rita. Ryan din. Pagawa tayo ng Magpapagawa siya? Kapit. O sige, pay mo lang ako.
Ryan.
Ito kayo ha. Ito kayo ikaw, si Jan, si James, yung dalawa niyo. Si Willie, tsaka si Ryan. Okay na, next game na yun.
Next game, Team C versus Team D. No good, 3 Torres. 44 seconds. 44 seconds remaining.
Now, Nakapi! 2 points!
Nakapi! 12.
30 seconds.
30 seconds. Back by Mark again. 20 seconds. 6 seconds shot clock.
18 seconds.
18 seconds. 6 seconds shot clock. 6 seconds. 5 seconds. 53. No good. 13 seconds. Shot clock off. 10 seconds. 6 seconds. 4 seconds.
3.
2, 1. And the first point.